Number 1. 1996 Ford F-150, price $7,500, well-maintained full-size pickup truck powered by a reliable 5.8L V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The vehicle has covered approximately 120,000 miles and runs on gasoline, offering solid performance and durability typical of the F-150 lineup. It comes in an extended cab configuration, providing additional interior space for passengers or extra storage. The truck features a green exterior paint that remains visually appealing and is complemented by a gray cloth interior that offers comfort and practicality. Inside, the cabin is equipped with a cold air conditioning system and a properly functioning heater, ensuring a comfortable driving experience in both hot and cold conditions. Number 2. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. This truck has 261,000 miles and has received several recent updates. It comes with 4 new tires, new headlights and taillights, and an updated ignition system including new spark plugs and wires, distributor cap and rotor, ignition coil, and crank sensor. The drivetrain has also been serviced with 2 new U-joints and a slip yoke. The interior has been steam cleaned and features a new headliner, along with a steering wheel lock club, rubber bedliner, and Looney Tunes floor mats. Seatback headrests are included but not pictured. The truck starts and runs, though it may need a new starter in the future. The AC will require a new compressor, and the driver's side door latch does not close smoothly but still shuts and locks properly. Number 3. 1997 Ford F250, price $10,000. This truck is powered by the legendary 7.3L Powerstroke turbo diesel, well known for its durability and long-term reliability. The truck has 378,000 miles, runs strong, and is paired with an automatic transmission and heavy-duty 4x4 drivetrain. It features the desirable crew cab long bed OBS body style and comes with a clean Texas title. Finished in white with a brown interior, this diesel truck offers cold AC, power windows and locks, and a towing package. The frame is straight with a solid undercarriage, while the interior shows normal wear for its age. It remains completely bone stock with no engine modifications, and aside from minor cosmetic flaws, the truck is rust-free and has never seen northern winters. Number 4. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,200. It has approximately 200,000 miles on the chassis and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. Despite the mileage, the truck has received extensive mechanical upgrades and maintenance. Around 14 months ago, the engine was rebuilt using the original block and fully upgraded with complete L31 internals, including roller cam lifters and 1.6 rockers. The cylinder heads were rebuilt with new valves, and all internal moving components were replaced. The transmission was serviced at 198,000 miles, ensuring smooth operation. The steering and drivetrain components are in good condition, and the truck has been converted to a 6-lug setup with heavy-duty 7,200 pounds axles. It is equipped with a 14-bolt rear end featuring 3.73 gearing and a G80 locking differential. All brakes are new, and the truck sits on 2014 factory 18-inch Chevrolet wheels wrapped in 245 tires. Number 5. 1990 Ford Ranger, price $7,000, features a reliable 2.3-liter engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and runs extremely smooth. It is equipped with a Baja-inspired suspension that makes the truck light, comfortable, and easy to maneuver in traffic or parking areas. The interior has been upgraded with an Apple CarPlay stereo, an 8-inch subwoofer and amplifier, and updated door speakers for clear and crisp sound. Recent maintenance includes a new clutch, flywheel, hydraulic throwout bearing, water pump, battery, alternator, AC compressor, timing belt, tires, exhaust manifold, along with a catalytic converter delete and new muffler. Overall, this Ranger is a fun, well-maintained truck with solid upgrades throughout. Number 6. 1998 Ford F-150, price $3,500, equipped with a V6 engine, automatic transmission, and 2WD. The truck runs on gasoline and has approximately 200,000 miles on the odometer. It features a black exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic, old-school look. The vehicle is not currently running and will require attention before it can be driven. The issue is believed to be related to the alternator or starter. In addition, the truck will need new tires and could benefit from some basic maintenance. Despite this, it comes with a clean Texas title and remains a solid, old-school pickup. With the right repairs, it would make a great work truck or an ideal fix and flip project for someone looking to restore a dependable classic Ford. Number 7. 1988 Dodge D150, price $5,500, powered by a reliable 318 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it runs and drives well. The truck has accumulated approximately 103,000 miles and uses gasoline as its fuel type. It features a blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, maintaining a classic and cohesive look. The current owner has had the truck for the past 5 years and originally purchased it from the first owner on the North Shore, and it still retains the original Causeway Chrysler dealership sticker on the tailgate, adding to its authenticity. Maintenance has been kept up to date, with 4 new tires installed, along with new brakes, calipers, pads, rotors, and wheel bearings completed about 2 years ago. Additionally, all steering linkage components were replaced less than 4 years ago, contributing to solid handling and overall drivability. Number 8. 1972 Ford F250, price $8,000. It is equipped with a rebuilt 360 V8 gasoline engine mated to an automatic transmission, offering dependable power and smooth driving. The truck features a green exterior with a matching green interior, giving it a cohesive and authentic vintage appearance. Mechanical updates include a new radiator, master cylinder, and brake booster, and the entire braking system has been redone to ensure proper stopping performance. The rear differential fluid has also been recently changed, contributing to overall drivetrain reliability. Inside, the seat has been reupholstered to improve comfort while keeping the original style intact. Aside from these necessary updates and maintenance items, the truck remains largely original, making it an excellent example of a classic Ford F250. Number 9. 1986 Ford F250, price $3,300, with 173,000 miles on the odometer, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. The truck features an orange exterior paired with a red interior, giving it a bold and classic look. Overall, it is a beautiful truck, with all electronic door locks and power windows functioning properly, and all lights in working order. It has strong potential to be a great cruiser or a reliable around-town truck. However, it is currently not running correctly. It appears to have either an injector-related issue or a vacuum leak, causing very rough idling and poor performance at low RPMs. At higher RPMs, the engine revs aggressively and sounds strong, indicating solid top-end performance despite the current running issues. Number 10. 1988 Ford F250, price $7,500, powered by a 5.0L 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck runs on gasoline and features a white exterior with a blue interior. Several new parts have been installed, including the alternator, spark plugs, fuel switching valve, power steering pump, headlights, taillights, tailgate, and it also comes with fairly new tires and hubcaps. The truck has been used as a daily driver on more than one occasion and generally starts reliably, even after sitting for a while. It may take a few attempts to crank, but it does start, runs, and drives. That said, this is clearly a project truck. The engine currently shows some unidentified codes, the exhaust has a rusted out section, and the truck has its quirks.